All right, we're going to talk about how special the free arm hoop is on the Creative Icon 3. Wait till you see how this works. It's pretty amazing. So I'm going to get Alisa, take off the table here so that they can see how the free arm hoop.
I can embroider with this on.
You can embroider with this on.
But when I want to go to the free arm.
Right.
Okay.
You take that off and you just lift that off. See how easy that was?
It's very easy.
Right. And now we have two different free arms. Now, you might think, well, does that mean I have to use a free arm? And the answer is no. The only time you need to use a free arm is if you're embroidering on a bag that's only got an opening on one end, like the top of this, right? The bottom is not. Then we would use a free arm. And the way they would go on and sit into the machine is the bottom of the bag is going to come underneath. Let me see if I can get my arm out of the way here. And I'm going to slide the bag on like this. And so you can see the bottom of the bag is underneath the free arm. Isn't that amazing? And so now you don't have to spend any time opening up the bag. This makes it so much easier for gifts and for all kinds of creative projects where you want to save time. This is really going to save time. And then when you go to the embroidery stitch out, the embroidery arm is going to come over and then it's going to connect just like this. You're going to come down and you're going to love this new connection too, because it's so much simpler. So you just push down like that. You can put your embroidery hoop on with one touch with one hand. Isn't that amazing?
That is so easy.
As I said, if you're doing a bag that's only open on the top, then you do need to use one of the two free arm hoops. This is the other size of the free arm hoop. This one is 260 by 200 and this one is 100 by 150. But when I did my pants, I was able to use any hoop I want to. You can embroider on a sweatshirt and maybe it's a 4X sweatshirt. The bottom of the sweatshirt will be underneath and you can use the 260 by 200 hoop, the 360 by 200 hoop, whatever's going to fit for the garment and the size you're doing. And so free arm embroidery is not limited to just using the sizes that the free arm hoops are, but we love these sizes. They're wonderful, but you can use any hoop you want to, and that means you can save a lot of time and energy. I've done embroidery on baby onesies that are 3 months old with my 120 by 120 hoop and able to do some amazingly quick gifts for people. So make sure you come into the store and check it out.
After seeing some of these other fun things, hopefully you're inspired. I know I really am. I love this new machine. I'm excited to see what Karen's going to show us, and she is coming to our store.
I know, I'm so excited.
I'm very excited. So September 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th, it is on our website, so you can sign up, choose the store that works best for you. And Karen is going to have some amazing samples. Some of them you've done on the Creative Icon 3. But I encourage you to come. You're going to have things that you've done with all of the features on the machine.
There are so many creative techniques with all of our Pfaff machines. And it doesn't matter if you're an embroiderer, you're a sewer, a quilter, you're going to learn something. So come and check it out.